Hello, how are you today? I hope all is well, and I hope you're having a wonderful or had a wonderful day. I just received my Orly Color Pass. I do apologize for the shaking. I am filming on my husband's desk because currently my desk is a mess and I have no space to film. I do have a what did I buy at Sally's that I need to make a video of, and I haven't had a chance to, but I just received my Orly Color Pass and I was really excited. I did open it up because I don't have a tripod and I'm holding my phone with one hand and I'll be doing the unboxing with the other one. So again, I apologize for the shaking. I do have my address covered up and I don't know what it is. I have not seen posts or any glimpse of what items are going to be in there, what colors are going to be, what are the free items that we'll get, or the bonus items to be exact. And well, I was really excited. It's pretty late and I figured I'd do a quick video of me unboxing my color pass, and let's get started. So there we go, as usual. And we got the card that gives us the information. And this is a winter 2024 April sky. As usual, they should give us a little tutorial of what to do and the bonus items. We have antidote and the winter nail stickers and the collection. And then we have these stickers. Those are so cute, so dainty. Those are deers and bows, snowflakes, hearts. That's really cute. And then the bonus item, which we already know is a nail polish. That's a beautiful plum color. I would say, yeah, it's a purple. I don't know if the camera's doing justice, but it reminds me not of a plum. Maybe a plum. Yeah. It's beautiful. And let's see here. I should have done a warning, very loud. Trying to do my best. Hopefully I don't end up breaking these. Okay, not gonna lie, I used my teeth to pull on this and I held it from there to take off this piece here, but that's cute. I like how it matches the stickers. This time I'll have to save the box because I don't think I have space, but we'll see. Again, here are the names, the colors, a bit of description. Now for the fun part. We have a blue, navy blue, and of course the name, Last Run. We have a glittery silver color, and this is double diamonds. It's just silver. There's no holographic or anything like that. We have a mauve pink color, and it's called Snow Bunny. And then we have like a light blue tinted white called Fresh Powder. Then we have a pink glitter, Twinkling Lights. And last one, which I would consider more of a nude brown, like just a soft beigey brown color. And this one is, hopefully I don't butcher the name, Chalet Getaway? Chalet, I think, but here's the name. There you go, much better. And so yeah, those are all the goodies that I have received for the Color Pass. And I do have some videos that I've already recorded of nail polish collections, but I just haven't had the chance to post them. I've been busy working, and hopefully I will get started on my what did I buy Sally's, so stay tuned for that video. Like I said, you will probably be seeing my husband's desk. I would turn the camera, but it's a mess. When I say it's a mess, I mean there's stuff everywhere right now. Well, you have a wonderful night. If you have any questions or any comments, go ahead and leave them in the comment section below. Like, subscribe if you're interested in seeing these videos. I just enjoy doing unboxings, or I enjoy doing just nail polish content or nail polish related. As you can see, I don't have my nails painted, sadly. Hopefully soon, maybe this weekend, we'll see. And yeah, that's it. Just a quick video, trying to keep it under 10. We're already at 8. So you have a wonderful night or a wonderful day, morning, afternoon, evening. Have a blessed day.